Welcome to our guide on increasing your Cash App limit. Let's dive into what limits mean for you. The standard limit is $250 for sending and $1,000 for receiving. But you can get more. To increase these limits, you need to verify your identity within the app. Provide your full name, date of birth, and address to get started. It's that simple. Once verified, your limits will increase to $7,500 for sending and $17,500 for receiving. With these enhanced limits, your Cash App experience will be smoother and more convenient. Always keep your app updated to enjoy the latest features and security enhancements. Make sure to link a bank account for direct deposits and instant transfers. Utilize Cash App's Boost feature to save while spending. It's a great way to enhance your money management. Remember to monitor your transactions regularly for peace of mind. For larger transactions, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance. And that's it. With these tips, you'll be ready to maximize your Cash App experience.